lovelies, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope you guys are doing fine. And how is your day going? Happy New Year, and I wish you all prosperous New Year, and may God favor you and answer you all your secret prayer in Jesus' name. So today, guys, we're going to be talking about 3 most effective serum that you can probably use on your face and on your skin. So today I will be answering, a lot of people have been asking me on my comment section, please, which serum or which oil is suitable on the face if you want to lighten up your face. So today I will be answering you guys, so please pardon me and stay to the end of this video. So first of all, guys, if you are new here on my YouTube channel and you haven't subscribed, please consider the red subscription and subscribe and turn on the notification bell, please, so that anytime I put in a new video, you can be the first to notify. For my old and my new subscribers, I just want to say thank you, guys. I so much appreciate you all. May God bless you. If you are my returning subscribers, for those of you who share me out, I don't really know what to say, guys. I so much appreciate you all. May God bless you. So today I just going to be talking about 3 most effective lightening and brightening face and body serum. Depends on how you use it, but if you choose to use it to whiten up your skin, it can still work for you. But please, I will advise you to use it as if it's your face or normal body cream. So you have to mix it with whatever cream you are using. If you are whatever cream you are using on your skin and whatever cream you are using on your face, you can mix one of this cream to one of these serums. So you guys, one of this serum to your cream. Believe me, it's just going to help you achieve that lightening or brightening skin that you want. So first of all, guys, let me talk about this. Let me talk about Piment Doux. This particular one, guys, this is what I've been using recently. And for those of you who have been asking me how to get it, where to get it, actually, guys, you guys know that in Germany everywhere is closed, and because of the pandemic everywhere is closed and you can't get any lightening or any cream for the now. So if you want to have this, you can as well check it online. Just Google it. Definitely you will see different options. You have to choose from the site you want to order it from, and believe me, you will probably get it. So I will be talking about Piment Doux. This particular cream here, guys, is a whitening serum. It's a whitening serum, but a lot of people don't know about it and they normally abuse it. At the end they come out saying, oh, this is what happened to me, this cream is bad, this one is good. No cream is bad, provided you follow the instruction of the cream. Provided you follow the instruction of the cream. So if you want to lighten up your skin, your face, if you are using any face cream, you feel like lightening it up, you can as well add a little from this particular one to your cream. And believe me, please, if you are using it, don't use it all the time. You can as well use your face cream. Like me, I rub my face cream just once in a day. It's not like 2 times like normal body cream. Apply your face cream once in a day if you mix it with any lightening or brightening or whitening substance. So this Piment Doux, guys, is really good. It's good if you want to brighten up your skin, and the reason why I love it for the now, it helps remove spots. It helps remove spots. So as you can see, this is my face, guys. It helps remove spots, and I'm using normal light, so it helps remove spots. It's really good. So the next one I will be talking about, guys, is Hot White Glitter C Double Whitening Glutathione and Vitamin C. So this particular whitening serum is really good. I've used it, so that is the reason why I'm telling you people. I'm just trying to tell you guys who have been asking me which serum is actually good to use that is more safer. So this particular one is a face and body serum, 4S whitening, moisturizing, anti-aging, revitalizing and smoothing skin. So if you are using this product, guys, you can as well use it just like this, but please make sure you don't use it all the time. Like I said before, if you want to apply this particular one on your face, make sure you use it once in a day. Apply it once in a day, and that will be in the evening. I'm just telling you guys how I normally use my cream, how I normally use my body cream, my face cream. So you can use it once in a day. That will be in the evening. If you are going to bed, don't apply it in the afternoon or in the evening to avoid sunburn. Or you can actually use it, but if you want to use it, make sure you have your sun spray, your face protection, something like that. But for me, I don't normally use those things. I just use my cream in the evening. That is how I normally love using my cream. So if you want to get this, you can as well mix it with your cream. You can mix it with your body cream. You can use it like that, which is this particular one. You can use it like that. If you are a fair skin or you are a light skin, you can use it like that. You can mix it with your cream, or you can, if you decide to use it like that, it's still good. But if you are a brown skin, please just add a little. Add a little to your face or your body cream. You can achieve what you want. It will make you, it will brighten up your skin and lighten up your skin. It doesn't really matter just because they wrote a whitening something. That doesn't mean it's a whitening product. It can be a lightening or brightening product, depends on how you use it. But if you want to achieve that whitening, that is, you have to abuse it by using it all the time, mixing it even more than the cream you are using, which is very, very bad. Make sure you add a little to your cream if you want to use your face cream. That way you will achieve what you actually want to achieve on your skin. So about is White Now. White Now one is a triple action, guys. A lot of people do think this cream is a whitening cream, and my friend told me once, that was last week, she said she bought this cream, the full set, and I was hoping this cream is just gonna make me white in between 2 to 3 weeks. I've tried it, I'm using it now close to a month, and my skin is just still the same. Why some will say, oh, this cream will make you fair, it will make you do this, it will make you do that. Please, everybody with their skin type. Everybody with their skin type. I will say the cream is good. I haven't used the cream, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've used just this serum. I've used it to mix my cream, but I didn't use it just like this. I used it to mix my cream, but I can tell it was really nice, and I love the texture, and I love the way it smooths my skin. I love the way it lightens up my skin, and I love the way it makes my skin to look more soft. So what I'm trying to tell you guys, if you want to use this White Now, please don't add much to your cream. Don't add much to your cream. If you are a fair person, don't add much to your cream. If you are fair already, if you want to lighten up your skin, you want your skin to look more nice, you want your skin to look more, you want to glow your skin, and you feel like using this White Now, please don't add too much to your cream. Don't any cream you are using, if you are using any oil, don't allow that oil to be more than that cream, just to avoid a stretch mark and grieving. I'm telling you due to my own experience, guys. So this time I don't mix any lightening cream I don't mix any lightening oil or serum or cream to my cream without maturing it, guys. Make sure your cream is mush, and what you are adding to it, let it be little. Let it be little. So this White Now is a nice product for those of you who actually want to whiten up or lighten up your skin. I won't say whiten up your skin, because I will advise you guys to abuse any cream that is a lightening product. Use it gently on your skin. Take your time. 1 month, 2 months, it will definitely work for you. As far as if you are using it, as far as you are not having any skin complication, as far as you are not having any reaction on your skin, and you are not having any grieving, you can continue using it. But the only way I will advise you guys, as for me, if I'm using any cream and I love that cream and the cream is really working good on me, and I notice I'm having grievance or something, I just have to change how I mix it. I just have to take a break. Then look for other alternatives to get my skin back and continue using my skin. When I mean alternative, when I mean continue using my skin, probably maybe I will know how to mix the cream, what I have to mix with it. Like if I had too much oil before or any like this product, I have to beat it down. I have to beat it down for me to get what I want on my skin, for me to avoid green veins. That is just it, guys. For those of you, if you really want to whiten up your skin and you have face cream, you are using any face cream, please try to know when and how to apply your cream. Like I said before, if any cream is too harsh on your skin, if any oil you're using on your skin is too harsh, take a break. Take a break and like 1 week, 2 weeks, use the cream just like that without, because for me, I normally divide my cream into 2 shades. Like I mix one part, I leave one part. So if I'm using the cream, if I see that the cream is overreacting, I have to stop, then use the one I didn't mix. So I'm still advising you guys to do the same. If you are using any cream and you miss the cream and you see the cream is just too much on your skin, it's making you to look what you don't want, take a break and use the normal one that you didn't mix for some weeks, and then you will know how to mix the next cream you want to use. So for those of you, and before I leave, guys, I so much appreciate, there was a girl that dropped a comment on my comment section, and she was like, I love what she said anyway, because it's good. They say na person friend, they tell person say it eats the smell, you understand? But for you, I'm sorry to say this, I'm not using any I'm not bleaching, I'm not using any whitening harshing cream on my skin. I know what to use on my skin and I know what not to use. So that is why I give out what I apply on my skin, what I've used on my skin, to my beautiful family out here that want to do the same. It's not a must that you must do it, guys. This is 2021. If you want to do what I'm doing, if you want your skin to look like this, there are different ways you can actually do it without using any chemical on your skin. And so this was what she wrote, and let me read it out. I didn't delete it. I don't delete comments. I don't delete comments. She said, hello my sister, happy new year. I am a silent subscriber. So this person is, I don't know whether it's he or she, I don't know, because there is no profile picture, and he or she is not a YouTuber, it's just normal people that love watching people and love taking advice, and I love the person for that. And she said, hello my sister, happy new year. I am a silent subscriber and I love all your content. Please, I want to say this, forgive me if I have offended you for saying this. You do a nice review all the time, but the missing ingredients, especially the tube, is too much. Please, you have to wash out skin cancer and some other skin issues, like I said earlier. If I have offended you, please forgive me, thank you. So I was kind of okay. I said, okay sister, thanks and happy new year. That is just me. That is just me. This is new year. You don't need to be angry because of someone told you what to do. At least nobody know pass. You can advise me of what to do, I can advise you of what to do, but please, this channel is not a channel that's how will I say it? It's not a channel that maybe if you are looking for a bleaching product, this channel is not like that. So I make a review about what I've used on my skin. So that is just it about this channel. And guys, I so much appreciate you all for your support, and thank you guys. Like I said before, go for one of these 3 products I just made sure you're just gonna love your skin. And thank you guys for your support. I so much appreciate you all. May God bless you. So if you love this content, please don't forget to keep supporting your girl, and I so much appreciate you. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, and thank you guys for your support. I love you all. May the good Lord bless you for your support. And see you guys in my next amazing video, and please do stay safe and happy new year once again. Bye bye.